Hey Lamar, what's up, welcome to a new video, guys. Jordan and I are in the car, in the Skitmobile. We've got some behind us. We're going to help somebody. Their car's been having some issues, so we're going to be going to fix their air suspension setup. There's nothing major, it's just at the moment we think the pressure switch and the relay are done for, and the power wire isn't. The power wire is a bit burnt out, so we're planning on replacing the power wire front to back, replacing the pressure switch, and then replacing the relay possibly. We still need. I have a feeling the relay is still okay, so we're going to test that relay. If we can keep that relay in, it's quite a nice one, so we'd rather keep it, and then get everything wired up, make sure everything's working correctly, and then take it from there. We went shopping now this morning for the past 2 hours or so. Oh, pardon me. Trying to get all the parts. We're about to pull up to the house now, and then we're going to get cracking. Alright, we are officially here. Got Jordy's car here with us. Let me tell you guys around. This is what we're busy with today. Show what that is. Right. There we go. That's what we're cooking with. There's a RunX. Been bagged for a bit now. Got some issues, minor problems here and there. We're going to be doing some work on the interior. Let me adjust this. You guys can see. This is the boot, distribution block, and then this is the setup over here. We need to basically get below this section here. Compressors and everything sitting there. I know the lighting is not right. I'm going to adjust the camera for when we get started, just to show you guys what we're cooking with. And then yeah, we're going to basically get this stuff sorted. We have the pressure switch out now, tank's out of the way as well. Here's the pressure switch. Let me adjust this lighting so you guys can see this in the sun. And do that. So there you have it.
A little bit of rust.
Yeah, it is a little bit rusted, but the good thing is we can bag it. It's an absolutely brand spanking new one. Have it.
Comparison,
yeah.
This thread also looks bigger than that.
Oh my golly, it's a different size. No, but I think it is fitting. It will fit that fitting. So this comes out, it should fit. And we'll make it work. Go and just figure that out.
So just a bit of an update video. We got the new pressure switch in with the wires ran there. We're busy sorting out. We got a new terminal on this wire. We ran a whole new wire for this because the previous wire was burning out every time it made contact with power. Then we ran a fresh wire here for the two compressors with a nice new terminal, and then what we're going to do is put the tank back in its spot, mount the relay, and then basically test it up and see what happens. What's up? So as you can see, completed boot, we've put it back together. So we found out the issue. What was the issue? The pressure switch.
Well, pressure switch, fuse,
The pressure switch, the fuse,
and the wire coming from the distribution block to the compressors.
and the wire,
to the relay.
the wire coming from the distribution block to the relays was the issue. So we corrected all of those, fixed it up. We did not build this boot. Nice little boot display, but it's all done now.
Alright, she's finally done, like Jordan said. If you guys didn't enjoy the video, if you did enjoy the video, I know we didn't show much, but like I said, it was more of just a call out, trying to help somebody fix a problem. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. We've got more content like this coming on the way, probably bagging some few more cars. Christmas is around the corner, we've got some cool Christmas stuff. If you haven't seen our recent video on the Christmas tree thing that we put on top of my car, go check that out. And then yeah, that'll be it. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Nothing to do but believe. Just believe. Another day. Just believe. Another day.